My name is Michael Smith. I'm a partner in Clifford Chance. I'm head of the firm's public policy practice, and I'm also in overall control of the firm's pro bono activities.
My name is Tom Dunn. I'm Clifford Chance's pro bono lawyer. I'm responsible on a day-to-day basis for managing and coordinating the firm's pro bono practice and responsible for developing the types of pro bono work that the firm does.
My name is Meg Kumar and I'm a second seat trainee, and I joined Clifford Chance in September 2008.
Law for All is a not-for-profit law firm which has its origins in West London. They've been anxious from the outset to nail the charge that social welfare law cannot be provided on a top quality basis in a business efficient manner. They approached us to take what was, for both sides, a very, very significant step. And 10 years on, we now have dozens of, if you like, Law for All alums who are populating the Clifford Chance office.
The firm gets involved in a really wide range of activities. All the work that the firm does pro bono will have the effect of widening access to either justice, to finance or education. And within those categories, the firm does a lot of work around social welfare law, both providing advice within the core social welfare law subjects, things like debt and employment and welfare benefits and housing. The firm has a really proud history of providing free representation.
The point about Law for All is that it's such a different type of work. You manage cases, you interview clients, and you give advice from, the social sphere of homelessness, benefits, debt, family law. You're interviewing clients, you're appearing before tribunals, and from day one you are thrown in at the deep end, obviously not without support. I was given at least 7 cases to manage while I was there. A gentleman from Poland, I think he had come to England several years before and had tried to set up his own business, and unfortunately it just hadn't worked, and he got into very serious debt. I remember calling up one of the utilities companies, and I actually got them to knock off a charge. In the context of his problems, it was a small victory, but it's a victory nonetheless. And I think you take great personal pride in having achieved that. So really from day one, you're in the hot seat.
A lot of young lawyers these days want to be able to say to themselves, I'm working for a firm that takes this type of socially aware work really seriously. Last year, 732 lawyers in this building did some form of pro bono work. And it does it intelligently and in a really coherent, thought-out way.
It's attractive to our people, and it's attractive to me as an employer that street lawyering exposure, if you like, is still available. One of the nicest features of my job is frequently to receive letters from clients who say that their lives have been transformed by the work that our young lawyers have done.
Your confidence does develop. You come back quite changed. I'd like to think that I've made at least a slight difference.
It's another aspect of the marvellous overall working opportunity that's available in a firm like Clifford Chance.